Hey everybody, Steve here. Thank you so much for listening in. No disclaimer today because we're not talking stocks and bonds. We're talking about our book that's coming out and how you can get your name in our book. Whether you're a client, a prospect, somebody we haven't heard, if you want your name in our book to support us, we're going to tell you how today. So, first of all, thank you so much for even considering that. Mike and I have worked really hard on this book. I'm going to share out the cover here. So, this is the ask. You can see that the book is called Thesis and Conviction. Investing for Alpha in a Beta World with both Mike and I. Obviously, if you know our backstory, Mike and I were best friends in high school, and now we work together as part of the leadership team here at Ankerstar Wealth. And here are the things this book contains everything that we say on a daily basis, that we say over and over and over about stick to the thesis and have conviction in it. And that way, don't, emotions won't get in your way. That's kind of the core of the book. And then also along the way, what makes it fun is even though there's many of you who know us both very well, you're still going to hear stories in this book. There's about 100 anecdotes that are in this book that are just really quick that we talk about, how our paths crossed and some interesting things you may or may not know about us individually. But I think you're really going to enjoy that. It's a quick read. It's called an airline book, right? You take it with you. About 100 to 118 pages, I think. Throw it in your bag and read it on the airplane going and coming for wherever you travel to. So here's how you can get your name in the acknowledged portions of the book. So it won't be on the front cover, right? That's for Mike and I. But if you want to be part of this, basically you get your name in the book under the acknowledgement page, and you buy a book on March 21st. We will send you a pre-copy of the book so you can read it. You buy a book on March 21st. I think I might have misspoken there. It's March 21st, coming up here in about 6 weeks. And you buy a book on that day in a certain window that we have a coordinator that will send out, send you an email saying, okay, it's time to buy the book. You buy the book and then you leave a verified review, which is a logged in Amazon type review where you go in and we can even use AI to kind of, if you're like, oh, I suck at writing reviews, we know we AI can generate them in, you know, a second, right? So, or you can do that if you're familiar with AI. But if you're like, hey, help us with the review, then we'd be happy to send you send you one. But basically, to be able to, so you agree to buy a book, it'll be under $20. So there's your monetary commitment, and the time commitment will be probably 5 minutes to be able to not just buy the book, but also leave the review same day. It all has to happen on March 21st within a certain window. So we have a coordinator that will be contacting you with that just to help you answer any questions if you have them. So that would certainly help us out. Why? We're not looking to make money on this book. I mean, if we do, we do. I think it really does talk to how professional investors invest versus what the CNBC sits and talks about all day long with their sensationalized headlines and emotional reactions, that sort of thing. It kind of grounds you from that and helps you become a better investor, whether you work with a professional or whether you're trying to do all this own. You'll find it, I think you'll find it helpful and interesting. And it also applies outside of your life. Originally, I was talking about that it's the same thesis and conviction you have when you enter a relationship slash marriage. Your relationship with your kids, your thesis and your conviction, applying that sort of mentality, the all-in mentality to your investing like you do with your family. So, all right. Thanks so much for listening to that. How to participate. You send Mike an email at the bottom there, Mike@ankerstarwealth.com. So Mike@ankerstarwealth.com. We'll have that up in the paragraph to describe this too. But reach out. Please take a few minutes of your time, a few dollars of your money to support the cause. What if we get enough buys? I didn't explain that correctly, but if we get enough book sales on the day of the book release, then we will get bestseller in finance or bestseller in investing. We don't think we'll be a New York Times bestseller. We're not talking crazy stuff, but just a little something for the effort, so we can say that we're best-selling authors, like everybody else has done a book, right? So that's the why behind this, supporting the team. All right, let's stop sharing that. Share out some other events that I will close with today, and say we have a lot of fun things coming up. I talked about March 21st. You can be on the book launch team from anywhere, whether you know us or not, right? If you just want to support a cool cause, then come on out, get your name in a book, and then you can always say you've got your name in a book. And then when you do Cheers in the Mail, you can show your kids or take it to cocktail parties and show it off, right? Because okay, maybe you won't do that, but you got your name in a book. It's kind of cool. Okay, We will be having the actual physical celebration. Mike is flying out here at our headquarters in Austin, Texas. We will have a window. I don't know if it'll be 1 to 7, but with that day of March 21st, we'll have our book launch team coordinator reaching out, contacting you, going, "Hey, book launch day. Please buy your book. The window's open. Here's the link," that sort of thing. And here's how to leave a review so you know how to do it, that sort of thing. We'll be able to see that stuff real time as it comes flowing in through the day. But here's our celebration. There's the book cover. It is also the 1 year anniversary of us being in this building, right? It seems like we've been operating out of this building here in Austin forever. We haven't. It's 1 year from 1 year from our grand opening. It's also the first Saturday of March Madness. So again, we'll have basketball. If you've been here, we got the big screens. We'll have basketball up on the big screens. Mike and I will do a book signing that day. If you're interested, obviously, if you're ordering, we'll have copies. So if you order your book online, just if you come out, you'll get a copy of the book that day. Mike and I'll sign it. If you would like it, we'll endorse it for somebody if you would all like that as well. But if you're on the book launch team, you already have the pre-copy, so you will have been able to read the PDF, so you'll know what the book is about. Okay, so more information will follow on that. Be a super fun time. We will have music, we will have food, we'll have drinks. It'll be a group hang and celebrate the task of writing a book. If you haven't written a book before, take some time. It does, it really does. And I'm super thrilled with how it turned out. Honestly, I think it's amazing. I'm biased, right, because we're there, but I think the combination of Mike and I and our independent stories are interesting, but the combination story I think is super interesting. Okay, tonight, if you're local here or if you want to watch the live streams, we're talking common investing traps. It's going to be one of those when you hear these stories as an investor, you're like, "Yep, I never sell my losers," right? Or, "Yes, I always wait till something hits new highs before I buy." We're going to talk about the official terms, excuse me, for all of that. Tonight, I'll be presenting that. It's a fun topic. It's a laugh at yourself type topic, right? Because you traps and it's like, "Yep, who's done that before?" It's like, "Oh yeah, I've done that before." Okay, and then some tools to fight against this sort of stuff, right? And it kind of ties back to the book, Thesis and Conviction, right? So we'll come back to ground the message in that a lot. But you at least know when your emotions are getting the better of you. It's like, yeah, I remember Steve talking about some of these biases that are out there. Okay, our next one is a week from now. We have CEO Gabe Diaz, CEO of Medcon, is going to come out and talk about some of the amazing movement he's had in his company. Many of us are personal investors. This is a pitch to anybody that's interested in investing, whether you're here local or not. Not huge amounts, but a small amount if you want to invest in pharmaceutical marijuana. So Gabe's going to lead us through where his company is, where it's going, how much money he's looking to raise, and then again, the potential upside for that money. He's sponsoring the food from Takavrin. So come on out for food and drinks. Doors open 4:30, like our 5 o'clock focus is always 4:30 to 6:30. Speakers on at 5. There may or may not be a live stream. We'll see if Gabe wants to go live on that. But come on out, hang out, hear about the latest update and the future stuff. Okay, for our 5 o'clock focus, good news. Actually, let me refresh the website here because hey, it did make it just in time. Our website team was updating this. So February 26th, again, that's 2 weeks from now, we'll have Jaden taking the stage here at the in-game lounge, and he's going to talk about sector pros and cons. If you know, in the investing world, there are 11 sectors within the S&P 500. He's going to talk to each of those, talks of some pros and cons. He's our portfolio manager. He is extremely smart. If you haven't heard Jaden speak, so he is perfect to deliver this topic, and he can get on all the details. He'll talk for about 20 minutes, right? Because that's about the norm for our Thursday night presentations, but then prepare for questions, right? So really ask, like, what's hot this year? Energy's hot this year, right? Is it going to be hot next year? Was it hot last year? Those sorts of things. You kind of never know what's going to rotate in. But talking about that, the sectors that are out there, in case you do want to go overweight into a sector, which is what we do from the portfolio management team. Okay, and then the one I'll close with here is towards the end of the quarter on March 4th. We're very excited to announce that we have Three of the Austin FC football team, excuse me, that's redundant, the Austin Football Club players that are coming out here, Brandon Vasquez, Elise Sanchez, and John Gallagher, will all come out and be on site to be able to support a new venture that's out there. It's called Turf ATX. You see Tony Aguilar is the lead on that, and he is also raising money for this. So he'll give you the pitch as far as what's going on, where's this located. I will, the spoiler, the teaser, if you will, this is really like a Top Golf for soccer. And it's right here. It's down nearby the stadium. It's not like at the stadium, it's nearby the stadium. And the players are supporting this, right? So that's the huge piece of this is what you normally don't see is you don't see the pro athletes coming out and going in behind a commercial venture. They are in this case. Food and drinks are going to be provided. So come on out, meet Tony, meet the players, listen to the pitch. And if it's something you're interested in, then we'll do a follow on how you would actually pull the trigger on an investment like that. But super excited to have those, those folks out here and hearing the presentation. I've already heard the presentation. So obviously to get into the door, they have to get through me. And I think it's an amazing idea. So can't wait for you guys to come on out and check it out. So again, as a review, Mike at ankerstarwealth.com to be a part of our launch team. We do need to get that finalized here pretty quick to get it to the publisher, to get your names in the initial edition of the book. So please, if you're hearing this, do it today. And then come on out, mark your calendar for March 21st. Come on out tonight. Come on out next. Basically, every Thursday, we're having something. So come on out to the in-game lounge if you're local, or get ready for the live links online, and you'll be able to participate in all this stuff. Thanks again so much for listening, and we will talk to you next time. Bye.